Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Ganit Shiksha. Today in this video, I will discuss with you about the latest updates of upcoming JEE Main 2020 exam pattern. Just when the preparation is completed, NTA has announced a new changes in the JEE Main 2020 exam pattern this year. In this video, you will get the latest update about the upcoming JEE Main exam. It's my humble request, please see the full video, otherwise you will miss many important updates. So before to start, you please subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for upcoming latest updates. So let's start the video. JEE Main exam pattern 2020. Good news for the JEE Main aspirants. JEE Main 2020 exact dates are now available. MHRD via the live webinar on May 5th, 2020 has announced that JEE Main 2020 will be held from July 18 to 23, 2020. The live webinar was hosted at Facebook and Twitter pages of HRD Minister Ramesh Pokhriyal. National Testing Agency NTA has announced new changes in the JEE Main 2020 exam pattern this year. The detailed exam pattern of JEE Main 2020 have been announced by NTA in the official information brochure, which is available now. JEE Main 2020 comprises of two papers. Paper 1 for engineering aspirants and for paper 2 for students seeking admissions in architecture and planning courses. According to the JEE Main 2020 exam pattern, paper 1 will comprise of multiple choice questions and numerical questions, whereas paper 2 is now separate for B-Arc and B-Plan aspirants. JEE Main exam pattern for B-Arc will comprise of objective questions for both maths and aptitude, numerical questions for maths and questions for the drawing section. As per the JEE Main exam pattern 2020, for B-Plan, questions will be asked from maths and aptitude, and there will be an extra section on planning with multiple choice questions. On the same paper 1 of JEE Main exam will have 3 subjects: physics, chemistry and mathematics. Each section will be given equal weightage with 20 MCQs and 5 numerical questions, and total marks for JEE Main 2020 paper 1 will be 300. Candidates must go through the exam pattern of JEE Main 2020. Candidates can get an overview of the exam. Go through the complete video to get the detailed information on JEE Main exam pattern 2020. National Testing Agency will conduct JEE Main 2020 April exams on July 18, 20, 21, 22 and 23. The exam was postponed from April due to the outbreak of coronavirus. The new exam schedule has been announced on May 5th. Using the JEE Main 2020 exam dates, candidates can know the timeline for the various events related to the examination. JEE Main exam dates 2020 will help candidates to keep track of the schedule of exam. The application form of JEE Main 2020 for the April session was available from February 7 to March 12. Previously, JEE Main 2020 exam dates for the April session were April 5th, 7th, 8th, 9th and 11th. JEE Main first attempt was conducted by NTA from January 6 to 9, 2020. Read this whole article to know more information about the JEE Main dates 2020. JEE Main 2020 BTech and BE paper pattern. You can see from the table that in mathematics it has total 25 questions, out of which 20 MCQs and 5 NVT. NVT means numerical value type questions. So total marks is 100. Physics is same, 25 questions, out of which 20 MCQs and 5 NVTs, total 100 marks. Chemistry also same, total 25 questions, 20 MCQs and 5 NVTs equals to 100 marks. So total of these three subjects you are having 75 questions of 300 marks. JEE Main 2020 B ARC paper pattern. It has also three sections. Aptitude test part 2 that has 50 MCQ questions, total marks 200. Mathematics part 1, it has 25 total questions, out of which 20 MCQ and 5 NVT, total 100 marks. Drawing test part 3, it is of 2 questions and total 100 marks. So in these three sections you are having 77 total questions for the full marks of 400. JEE Main 2020 B Plan paper pattern. It has also three sections. Aptitude test part 2, it has 50 MCQ type questions for 200 marks. Mathematics part 1, total 25 questions, out of which 20 MCQ and 5 NVT, total 100 marks. And planning based question, total number of questions 25 for 100 marks. So in these sections you have total 100 questions for 400 marks. Now you can see this is one of the important part, that is marking scheme. How the correct marks and the negative marks will be deducted from there. The marking scheme for all the papers of JEE Main 2020 is common and is as follows. +4 marks for correct answers, -1 marks for incorrect answers. Means if you given the correct answer, then you will get +4. If you make any mistake in any answer, then you will get -1 for that. No negative marking for NVTs. 0 marks are deducted for unanswered or marked for review questions. You please note that numerical value type, that is NVT questions, are those questions in which candidates have to enter answers as a numerical value. To mark the numerical value, the candidates have to navigate to the space provided on their computer screen. JEE Main 2020 will be held in 2 shifts, which will be in morning and afternoon. First shift, the timing is from 9:30 AM to 12:30 PM, and second shift timing is 2:30 PM to 5:30 PM. Now I will show you some important topics in JEE Main 2020. From mathematics, the most important topics are inverse trigonometric functions, circles and family of circles, sequence and series, probability, vectors, quadratic equations and expressions, complex numbers, matrices, parabola, hyperbola in coordinate geometry, functions, limits, continuity and differentiability, applications of derivative, and definite integral in calculus. These are the important topics from the mathematics. Next, it is from physics, current, electricity and heat transfer, dimensional analysis, gravitation and electrostatics, geometrical optics, waves and sounds, thermodynamics, kinetic theory of gases and rotational dynamics, electromagnetic induction. These are from physics. These are important topics. From chemistry, physical chemistry, it is of mole concept and the concept of equivalence, redox reaction, electrochemistry, thermodynamics and chemical equilibrium. From organic chemistry, carbonyl compounds and their derivatives. From inorganic chemistry, coordination chemistry, chemical bonding and qualitative analysis. Let's see the JEE Mains syllabus for 2020. JEE Main 2020 for BTech or BE, BArch and B-Plan are divided over 3 sections. Check the 3 sections below for all the 3 papers. That is, JEE Main Paper 1 has the subject Physics, Chemistry and Mathematics. JEE Main Paper 2 subjects are Mathematics, General Aptitude and Drawing Skills. JEE Main Paper 3 subjects are Mathematics, Aptitude Test and Planning Based Questions. Now you can see the flowchart for the JEE Main exam. In both sides you can see the pattern. In the left side it is of old pattern and in the right side it is of the new pattern, that is new to you. This is the first time in this method it is going on. So from there you can see the comparisons also, that the number of papers, separate paper for B planning, total number of questions, total marks, numerical value based questions and planning based MCQs. So these you have to know, because this is totally the flowchart. In this way you can get the questions. So this is all about this video. Thank you for watching the full video. If you really like this video, then you please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the like button if you really like it, and share it to your friends and in the society for the latest update for there also. So in upcoming videos I will prepare many important questions based on the mathematics and which is related to the joint entrance main exam. So you will be benefited from there. So you just go through to my channel, then you will get these all. Thank you for watching.